Are you ready to make 2025 your richest year ever? Today, I'm showing you 10 powerful AI tools that people are quietly using to make money every single day. From side hustles to automation to complete passive income systems, these tools can literally change your income in weeks. Let's get started. Point 1. ChatGPT Automator. Content plus email money machine. Want to make money without typing for hours? This AI can write full articles, product descriptions, emails, captions, and lead magnets. People sell this work on Fiverr and Upwork for $20 to $150 per job. You can automate and deliver within minutes. 2. Midjourney. AI image selling and Etsy prints. Midjourney creates stunning art, posters, logos, and custom designs. Creators sell AI prints on Etsy and make $1,000 $5,000 a month. You only create once, give sell forever, gives passive income. 3. Opus Clip. Turn long videos into viral shorts. This tool cuts long videos into viral shorts with captions and edits. Creators use it to manage clients' social media channels. Many earn $500 $3,000 a month just clipping videos for others. 4. 11 Labs. AI voiceover side hustle. Need a professional voice? 11 Labs turns text into Hollywood-level voiceovers. People sell voiceovers for YouTube videos, its TikTok Reels. Average earnings $10 $50 per voiceover. 5. Pictory. Create videos without showing your face. This tool converts your script into a full YouTube video with stock footage, subtitles, transitions, and music. Perfect for starting faceless channels just like you're doing. One video can make money for years. 6. Copy AI. Business writing plus email autopilot. Businesses need emails, ads, and landing pages every day. This tool helps you deliver content fast and charge higher rates. Freelancers earn $1,000 plus per month from business clients. 7. Canva Magic Studio. Thumbnail and design selling. Canva's new AI can instantly generate thumbnails, banners, logos, and ads. You can start YouTube thumbnail service, Etsy digital products, social media graphics, sell designs for $5 $25 each. Scale with volume. 8. HeyGen. Create AI avatar videos. Want to create full face talking videos without showing your face? HeyGen lets you create an AI avatar that looks like a real person. Big brands use it for marketing. Freelancers charge $50 $150 per video. 9. Durable AI. Create websites in 60 seconds. This tool builds complete business websites instantly. Sell websites to small businesses for $100 $300. You can make 3 to 5 websites a day. Insane side income. 10. Notion AI. Organize and sell digital templates. Notion templates sell like crazy on Etsy and Gumroad. Use Notion AI to build planners, trackers, business boards, habit, and finance templates. Average seller makes $500 $2,000 month. ZOUTRO 015. These AI tools can genuinely help you earn real money in 2025. Whether you want a side hustle or a full-time income. If you want part 2, or want me to show step-by-step tutorials, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.